everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we are going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1971 Oldsmobile 442, original 442 car, guys, and absolutely gorgeous. My buddy Turk found me this car. North Carolina car. Gentleman we got this car from in his, I think he said he was in his early 70s. 10 years ago, he did a complete frame off nut and bolt restoration on the car, other than a couple little things which I'll kind of point out. It's oxidized primer floorboards, just killer. Matching numbers, 455 cubic inch engine, factory air, factory Saturn gold, which is just beautiful. Black vinyl interior. It's got, matter of fact, I put these on there. Those are brand new 15-inch chrome SS1 Oldsmobile rallies on a BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. You can see it's got my favorite Oldsmobile option, which is the ram air hood. And this thing runs and drives like it's brand new. First got it in, and I drove it, and I mean, it just hits the road excellent. Air will freeze you out of there. This is just a great, great car, man. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. There's a couple little blemishes I'll try to point out in the paint. You can see those grills are nice. Little mark right there. Replaced all the bumpers on the car. There's a couple little stone pecks right there. But really nice. Again, he replaced the bumpers. They're all re-chromed. I love that ram air hood, man. Sorry about the dust. You can see there's leaves everywhere. It's just windy. We got a storm getting ready to blow in here. Chrome and stainless is very nice. Dual body color mirrors. Boys left a little dust on it for us. I think they do that to see if I can find it. Deck spoiler. This rear bumper, it's got the cutouts. It's all re-chromed. Car is just nice and straight down the sides. It's got the W27 finned aluminum rear end cover underneath. This car is, I mean, like I say, beautiful underneath. All oxidized primer floorboards. I love this car, man. This is an outstanding car. It's got front disc brakes. Matching numbers, 455 cubic inch engine. It's got the ram air, functional ram air hood, factory air. Now they put the newer, I don't know what you call that, replacement style compressor. That's not actually a factory compressor. Power steering, power front disc brakes, stock exhaust manifolds and intake. Not real hip with that orange hose, but I'm rushing a little bit to get this advertised. Matter of fact, the car came with a tic-toc-tach, and he couldn't get one at the time, and so he put a Sun Pro tack in it. I've got a brand new tic-toc-tach here for it. We will install that. I think I showed you underneath the hood. Pretty car, man. I love the color. It's just a little wax, guys. Dual body color mirrors. You can see they replaced this stainless. Does have the original door handles. You can nitpick those a little bit. New door rubbers. These are also original. Pretty car, man. Bucket seats, console, factory steering wheel, sport steering wheel. It's got all the correct seat belts in it. Headliner's nice. Showing 20,000. You know, that I'm sure that's 120. Oh yeah, the freaking gas gauge has a mind of its own too. This is what we're going to replace. I've got the brand new one. We'll get it installed actually probably tomorrow. Factory 8-track AM radio, and yes, it works. Unfortunately, I don't have an 8-track here. Turk's going to be bummed. I thought I had one in the back, but he had an 8-track for it and stuck it in there and made sure it played. Flowmaster dual exhaust. Factory 10 bolts. Not a big gear. I think these were 331s. Maybe 323, somewhere in there. It's not a big gear. Definitely a cruising gear. Look how nice this car is, man. Everywhere you look. Factory jack. It's actually got the color coordinated spare. It's flipped upside down, but it's got the gold spare in it. All spackle coated in the trunk. I believe this car is all original panel car. Just some stuff he get that's kind of listing, owner's manual, everything he did to it. He kind of pulled that in there. Some pictures of when he bought it, and then a few little receipts. There's not much for receipts there though, guys, but that's what he gave us with the car. Again, this thing is gorgeous underneath. Not easy to find these cars, guys. Straight down the sides. Seats are nice. Oh yeah, probably gonna have Eddie take that off. I don't like that there. That was one of his little things. Console's nice. Again, original door handling. See how nice the stainless is there though. Dual body color mirrors. Car just runs and drives excellent, man. There, just kicks your air on, blows cold. Like I say, it'll freeze you out of there. Yeah, I'll have you come do that, Jordy. It's got the hood pins in it. Yeah, this fuel gauge works sometimes, doesn't work. I'll have Steve take a look at it. He's doing his tack. Again, tack works. That's coming out of there anyways. It's a, it'll be the factory correct tic-toc-tach. Got a backup light out. We'll check that. That sounds good. It's on. Just got to find a station, and it may not come on with that up against the building here, but it all works. He said even the 8-track works. Turk put a 8-track in it to check it. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Look at that doggone car right there, man. I love that car. Oh, we got a lot of traffic. 5 o'clock traffic, man. You better get it.